Okay, so we are back today. So for today, uh, what we gonna do is we wanna set the background color of this div dynamically. So we need to figure out how to do it. I'm not sure how we can do it. I need to figure out how to connect the values from category map into the div here. Basically I need to give it a style background, so or I need to set the tag from here whenever I'm setting. uh, I'm not sure. Let's see. So for that, let's start our backend first. So it is cd backend and then nodemon server.js. Yep, it has started. Let's start our Angular server, that is ngserv. So what should it is out? Please run the next command. Okay, so there's something. What is continuous light? Localhost for 200, that's a backend server. Test. So we got this. So this is what we need. We need to color this background part. So let's say is can use light. Smaller version of can use db with only essentials. Okay, it's can I use full data behind. Can I use this is encrypted. Okay, we are not using it, so we have to import this one. We are not importing it anyway. Why it got installed, I'm not sure, but okay. Now our next search would be pass css style value from Angular dynamic values. Generate dynamic css based on variables in Angular. Okay, this is what I was thinking. Okay, we might need to do a component. You can use ng style to dynamically, so I'm not sure whether it's still available. Okay, let's use this for now. Let's see how it goes. This is the div tag. We need background color. So that would be, I don't want any of these part, so I just need background color, and I would say expense category. Is that it? Expense category. So okay, I need to do this of expense category. I'm not sure whether it will work. It compiled successfully. Let's go and check. Nope, it hasn't loaded. Why? Because in the CSS we have given purple here. So nope, ng style isn't working for my case. Okay, so what else? So we found this one. Nope. ng style identifier categories refers to a private variable ng component. How come we are getting this one? So this is also a private variable. I mean, no. Let's check ng style, what it does. ng style and so directive. Okay, an attribute directive that updates the styles of the content of HTML sets one or more style properties in the key is the style name with an optional unit such as top.px. Okay, should it be like background dot color or something like that? Font style. Okay, the value is an expression to the evaluated to be evaluated. The resulting non-null value expressed given units. It is assigned to a given style property if the result of evaluation and the corresponding style is removed. Okay. String. So class is a string and value can be anything. So if there is some element ng style and it would be font style, some style. Okay, so I think we are good here. Collection of key value pairs. I'm not sure what mistake we have done. Looks like we have to give this and yep. Did it load? So let's check what the element is about. Color is white. Why? Not this color. I need this color. Okay. So so ng style, it's an object. Expense category. So this definitely will result in miscellaneous. aspect. Again, it's an object. Hmm. Let's ng style div background color. I have a div that I want to style based on the condition. If style 1 is true, I want the background color red. If style 2 is true, I want the background color to be blue. I have got half of it working with the below code. ng style 1. I think I have resolved it, it works. Not sure if it's the best way. Style 1 or style 2. Okay. So for a single attribute I can use this. That's nice, that's a nice option. And then the background, since the question title mentions ng style, here is the alternative syntax. Background color is equal or else to true. Okay, let's try this. And we don't want this part, we just want this. Nope, the object is there but there's no background color. So who has that background color? That's interesting. So let's just fall back to this. I think this itself is not working. Identifier red is not defined. What if I define red here just for the heck of it? Equal to red. Yeah, that works. That works. That works. That works. Category maps. So I think we have some problem with the map itself. Okay, what we have done here is, yeah, that was right. So how do I get it? So getting it is a problem. Okay, this is a map. Now I got why the problem is. So TypeScript Map, it's not just an JavaScript object, it's a map. um, Get key. So if you see, there's a map. Okay, I think this should do the trick. Good, I went into this. So here what needs to be done is, so this key is nothing but this one, and the map is nothing but categories. Yep, we got it. Okay, that's a good find. So since it was not a JavaScript object, I was trying to get it like this as a regular JavaScript key value pair, but since it is a map, I had to do it like this. Okay, so this makes sense. Now we have completed the coloring part, dynamic coloring part. Good. So no much changes. Let me get my notes up. That's a demo file. Okay, category, backend is done, front end web is done, and this part is done. So yeah, now next would be either error handling and loading screens, which is equally important, and I have previous month expense list, so that needs to be there. Okay, this is just a sample code. Just even if it doesn't. Okay, cool. Syntax highlighting. What if I say Swift? And what if I say Java? TypeScript, Golang, C++. Okay, anything would do, basically. Cool. So we are done with everything. So if I change this miscellaneous to say gifts and update expense, so it updates with the color. Okay, great. Good. That's good, this one. So ng fine. Let's try the other one where I say ng style, and here I give this should also work. Yep. Yep. Yep, it works. Okay. This fine. The font looks a little bit off. So impact. No. Korea new. Okay. And font size would be small. Still smaller. Is that a medium? Yep. Mm-hmm. Nope. Okay. Can we give margin? Margin say like 3 pixels. Nah, it's not doing any changes. Margin is like outer this one and padding is like inner offset. Okay, good. So good thing we learned. And today is day 5. So day 5, 100 points, and that goes to education. So let's just see. Yep, that's a good. Okay, cool. So this was a short stream. It's a good thing. Let's just push this. Get status. Okay, we have one here. We have one here. We have one here. Category map. We removed the private one, I think. Don't have anything. And here we removed this and added this. Okay. Make sure everything is there. Git push. No. Git commit -m dynamic coloring of category background. We didn't add. Crap. Okay, done. That's it. Okay, and we will be going through. So next thing would be either the loading screen. Now if I need a logout button somewhere here or at the down or somewhere. So basically I want to drop down here to select the month and a logout button here. Yep, a logout button, a drop down, and then we'll have some kind of loading screen and error handling screen. So we have error handling here if they don't enter some things. So these are the default error handlers. If there is any network issue while adding the expense, so I need some kind of alert saying, notifying the user that it's not added. Okay, I stopped the backend. Okay, so that's it. I think that's it. So This is done, this is done, this is done. So next would be the loading screens. Some problem with my keyboard. Okay, so that's it, folks. Yes, delete it. Okay, so next this would be a native app, and it's done. It's like on parity with web. It's on parity with web. This would be a React Native app. Sorry, React Native app. This is yet to start. So Android, none of these things are done yet. This is still yet to start, but okay, great. So that I can see what I can do with React Native. So this is just a learning project. So next product would be decision based on the knowledge I have. So I think for React Native I need to learn React basics first, I think. Let's see. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. See you next time.